So in the home page, I will copy the code to ChatGPT and say that implement the search feature. So let's copy all the code and give it to ChatGPT. Alright, it's finished, and I think it has given us an extra page for searching. You can see coffee search. So let me copy everything and I will divide it in the VS Code. Paste everything in the home page, and here I will divide this. I will create a separate page for this one. And also we have this model that I will create a separate folder for models here and paste it here. And now I can import that in home page. In the search, I also need to import coffee and detail page. All the errors solved. Now let's run the application and see the result. Alright, you can see that we have this search button right here, and we have double app bar. In the home page we do not have scaffold, but it has added the scaffold for us. We can move that to layout page later on, but let me first check the feature of search. If I click on search, it will open this page which has all the coffees, and if I search by coffee 1, it will filter, and if I search the price of $4.99, it filters. So the filtering is good, but I want this item to look nicer. I want the same design of card in the search also. So let's tell the ChatGPT to change the item's design to the same coffee card. I've given this search feature in a completely new chat, and I forget to change it to old chat because here knows about our previous design. So I will click here and paste, and now if I say implement, it should understand what coffee card I'm talking. So we have the code. Let me copy and paste it and see how the result looks in the search. This is the correct way to pass is favorite and on favorite toggle. I can copy that and paste it right here, and copy the same thing and paste it here also. And for detail page, I will see how we did it in home page. Copy this and paste it in here, save it, should be fine. We have our coffee page here. If I click on search button and I search for the price of $9.99, and if I click this, we're getting this error of future void is not of type of int. So the problem seems to be in this method. I can simply add an arrow, and now it says function is not of type function integer. I can add an integer here, and if I save it, it should bring me the detail page. And right here also we can see it's favorited. We can unfavorite from here, and it should be fine here. If you go back, it is unfavorited from here also. Now we have to take care of this double app bar and we're good. So in the home page we have this app bar and scaffold that we didn't want it. So if we copy this whole entire code from home page to layout page, I think it should be fine. Cut this part of action into our layout page and see what will be the problem. So if we do this, we also have to copy this IDs, toggle button, and so much more. I will remove the app bar from here. We will add the app bar in every page that we use. In this case I will keep it in the home page. So in the home page we have this app bar, and in other pages I will add their own scaffold and app bar as well. Let's make this app bar center. Now it looks nice because on left side I want to add the logo. I like this one, and I want this to be shown right here, and it should be animated also. If I save it, it should look like this, and it's not clickable, so I will convert this to icon button and see how that will look. Icon button is having extra padding, so I will remove it again. This looks nice now, and let's make the font for app bar bold, and let's see how it looks. Alright, that's perfect. I think the homepage is almost ready, but one thing that I don't like is when I press like here, it also changes here. It's kind of repetitive. I want to change the icon for this. I want to add arrow. If we click, we simply go to detail of this coffee. Alright, we have the code. Now let me copy this and create a new file for the top bar for this part of the card. I'm gonna create another widget. So I want this button to be right beside the description. I can remove this, paste here, and then I will cut everything from here, and I will create a row. They should be in the same row. Now this button also should be something else. I want this to be modified. It looks okay, but the button size is too big. I want to make it smaller. I think I have to just decrease the padding and keep a size box for this one with width of 8, and the same size box after gesture detector, just to make it a little bit to left side. Alright, this seems perfect to me, and if later on I wanted to change, I will do some changes, but for now it looks nice. If I click, I will get this detail page and everything is fine.